Hi friends, have you ever thought what is the clinical reason that you relieve when you get massage while headache or while applying pressure or rubbing at the knees or legs you get relief from pain? Let's try to understand today. There are pain sensations which are carried by small unmyelinated fibers. These fibers have stimulatory effect on central transmission cells, which are also known as T cells. Now, these T cells are one of the factors which cause transmission of pain from spinal cord to the brain. Now, this pain sensation has negative effect on substantia gelatinosa cells, which are present on the dorsal horn of grey matter. And these cells have negative effect on T cells. So, anyway, if these substantia gelatinosa cells get activated, then it will inhibit the T cells to carry pain sensation to the brain via dorsal horn. So, we should think to activate these cells. Now, how is it possible? When we apply touch or pressure, the sensations are carried by large myelinated fibers, and these fibers have stimulatory effect on substantia gelatinosa cells. Hence, now they are able to inhibit the activation of the T cells. So now, this pain sensation will not be carried to the brain from dorsal horn. So we can say that this dorsal horn acts as a gatekeeper. So whether it will allow the pain sensation to go or not. Hence, this hypothesis is also known as gate control hypothesis. Hope you would have understood why we get relief by massaging or rubbing or applying the pressure at the site of pain. Thank you.